Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. What came in today? This. So what's going on with this? The story behind this computer is the customer took out the CMOS battery while trying to clean. Then after he turned it on, this is what happens. Let's begin. It turns on just fine, no problem with that. Now this is a computer from 2018. This may or may not help you if you have a new computer. But the principle is still the same. So as you can see, it turns on, shows you two drives, one SSD, one regular drive, and then it gives you RAID volumes. I'll let it play out so you know what happens. As you can see, it tries to boot up and then runs into a problem. So what happens? What would cause a battery, CMOS battery removal cause this issue? So I don't know the answer yet, but I can tell you what happens is the motherboard stores the setting for how or what protocol it wants to follow while booting up on hard drives or solid state drive for that matter. We saw it has RAID enabled, but it's not using RAID 0, 1, anything. So maybe the settings for the boot up, like RAID versus AHCI, got changed. So let's try and change it and see what happens. We're going to get into the BIOS. We're going to try and turn the RAID off and switch it over and see what happens. Okay, so my hardware doesn't like this setup, so we'll have to show you the screen instead. So we can go into advanced settings. Storage configuration. So we're going to disable, let's see. The mouse is really bad. So let's see if we can enable the AHCI again and then save it. And then see what happens. So looks like we fixed it. That's all we had to do. But that's can be a big deal, and this would make many people nervous. That what happened to my computer? Ooh, did I break it? So that's how you fix it if things like this happen when you unplug. First off, there's no, I hear it all the time on the internet. Hey, remove the CMOS battery, remove the CMOS battery. I have never seen one instance where I took it off and it fixed my issue. So stay away from taking those out. They are there for a reason, and there's no reason to take them out. Unless you know what you're doing, then it doesn't matter. Like you saw, we have a computer up and running. So that's how you fix it, and I hope you guys had fun watching it and maybe learned a couple of things or not. And till next time, see ya.